Hello, hello, hello. Okay, cool. Hello. So I'll be explaining math. I'm sick, so you can't even really see that good, actually. Holy crap. Cool. So it's flipped, but I can read it for you. So for number one, we have f of x is equal to 3 if x is less than 0, and square root x if x is greater than or equal to 0. So this is a piecewise. So what we're going to do, stick with me. It's 9 o'clock at night. And what we do is first we graph this. So it's just 3. So you put 3 on the y axis, making it open because that doesn't have a little line underneath it because it's not greater than or equal to. It's just less than, had to check. And what that tells us is that when you draw the full line, you erase the right half because it has to be less than x, or it has to be, yeah. So it goes that way. And what you do for that is you graph that, and that's a little, and it's x is greater than or equal to 0. So that's a black circle at the 0 origin, and you just cool. You get a little stick. I can't link them together because they're not like that. Okay, whatever. Anyways, I get on the way. Okay, this one's better. So, you see this? Yes, you can. F of x is equal to x squared if x is less than 0 and 1 minus x if x is greater than 0. So we take this one, we graph this one as a parabola. Erase the right half because of that. Right? Cool. Take that, 1 minus x, graph that. It's a line like that. It goes, and then both of these are open circles because of the greater than signs. And you go, and then you erase that half because um it has to be less, it has to be greater than 0. So you go, right? Cool. Same thing here, except holy shit, you have 3. So f of x is equal to x cubed if x is less than -1, -2, if -1 is less than or equal to x is less than 4. Then you have x squared, square root, sorry, if x is greater than or equal to 4. So we have 3. This is insane. Mind blown. Okay. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do this one. We're going to graph it. Which one was it? It was this one. And that one goes, and then you just erase this half. You kind of see where I erased it if you look closely. And this will be an open circle because, and then graph it goes infinitely, and it starts at -1. This one, tricky, starts at -2 on the y-axis. But on the x-axis, it starts at -1, it ends at 4. 4 will be open, 1 will be closed. Cool. It'll be like that. And then square root x if x is greater than or equal to 4. Same deal. Draw the little, erase this half, close circle, done. And then here's this clusterfuck. So we have 4, right? This is different. This is combining f of x and g of x. So it's really simple because all you have to do is just look at what it's asking. So you look at this and you say, oh, it's f g g of x close parentheses, right? So you just take this and then you just put it in that. So you get square root x plus 2 squared plus 1. And you do that, the square root cancels out because it's squared, and it turns into that. Set it equal to 0. Put 3 on the other side, that turns into negative. X equals -3. You do the same thing for g of x, except, oh my gosh, in reverse. So what you do is you take square root of x squared plus 1 plus 2. Square root that, or not square it. You square at, get rid of the square root, do it normally. Get 3 over there, square root of that, and you get root -3 equals x. Cool. And then you kind of just do the same thing with the rest of them. That's a lot, and I don't want this video to be super long because I'm tired. But yeah, you can see that I've done the work. Um, I know it's reversed. I could probably fix that if I fixed it as you were, but if I didn't, I'm sorry. Cool. Where's the there it is.